welcome back to Clearview driving. Today it's Malek's test. So today we're just doing a quick sort of 15-20 minute, if that, drive, and then we're going to go to the test centre. So just going over anything, just a nice little drive for now, nothing in particular. Alright, so whenever you're ready, we'll get driving. We'll just come out of the car park right, and then just right out of the entrance, just there. How are you feeling today, Malek?
I'm good. Slept well last night, slept at 9.
Oh, good.
Which is always nice.
We're going to go right at those lights, okay?
Right.
We'll sort them out in just a second, just get up to the lights first. I didn't realise you lowered the mirrors.
Yeah, I lowered them to see the bottom, but I think I lowered them a bit too much.
They're a bit too low. Sort that out in a second though. So the signal should be on. In the new road, what lane do we take?
Take the left lane.
Alright, we're going to go left at that roundabout first exit now.
Which is great. Odyssey Garvin was a councillor. We love roundabouts.
Alright, let's get these mirrors sorted out. How's that?
Perfect.
So you want 50-50 with the horizon, okay? You don't want it too low, as you would normally.
Perfect.
Can you see your car in that one a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, and same with that one?
Yeah.
Okay. And the top's okay as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're taking first left to Harrow.
Yeah.
Got it.
We are. That's third gear. Well done. You can hear it, right?
Yeah.
So as long as you don't stall with that there, it's not really a fault. As long as you correct it quickly.
Okay. That's good.
The speed on the slip road, great, but just the handling of the steering wheel near the end.
It's swervy.
Yeah, just because of the high speed, it's more sensitive, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's smaller movements. Okay, on the next roundabout, let's take the third exit right, please. Malek starts this roundabout really well. As he goes in, he stays in the right-hand lane. When he can see the second exit ahead of him, he should have checked his mirrors towards the left and moved towards the island in order to exit. He stays in the right-hand lane, which doesn't actually exit. It could be quite dangerous to take the exit from this lane, as somebody may be using the left-hand lane to go round the roundabout.
Third exit, you said.
Okay, but what lane did we just take that exit from?
From the right lane.
Okay, now, I know it was okay. We're going to just loop the roundabout, okay?
Yeah.
Just stay on the right as you loop. Just slow it down a little bit. I feel like we're a bit quicker in places, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so on the roundabout, I don't want you to exit from that position. I would have rather you gone back round.
Okay.
Okay, so signal right.
What exit are we taking?
Fourth. So have a look. Can we enter? Okay, now count the exits.
1, 2,
Okay.
3.
And what do we do at 3?
At 3 we look left.
So we spiral at 3, don't we?
And then we go out.
So you see, what's the guy next to you? Watch what he does. Now you see how that could have been an issue?
Yeah.
Because we could have gone back round from that lane. Yeah, hold on. Take a deep breath. Okay, you can do this. You can always go straight when the road is, no, sorry, you can always go fast when the road is straight. Now check left here. Come back into that outer edge now. Brilliant. This time on the roundabout we're going to go straight. But don't go fast on the roundabouts and on the turns.
Okay.
Go at a speed you feel comfortable. that car from yesterday?
Yeah.
They look like they've pulled it out and the tree's been pulled out because of it.
That's a hazard.
That's the
isn't it?
hazard, yeah.
If you're turning left, you'll bang straight into it.
Yeah, so the cars on your left, if anyone does come forward at the same time as you, that's something to watch out for.
Absolutely. You said we're going straight, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going straight on.
Indicator.
What's the van on the right, the silver one? He looked a bit dodgy there.
Yeah.
I thought he was going to try and cut in front of the bin lorry.
Something.
Yeah. You know that tree, the reason I mentioned it to you is because if we went across that roundabout Heathrow,
Yeah.
it would be in your path, wouldn't it?
It would.
So that's something to be mindful of,
Yeah.
because you know it's there.
Now, good. It's a bit tight here, so fix that. Turning right or left?
We're going ahead. Don't you think we should have been in second for all that last little bit?
Yeah, we should have, yeah.
Straight ahead, yeah? Straight ahead, Malek.
Oh, straight ahead, sorry.
Yeah, straight ahead. Just check that right side mirror and slowly move over and then go ahead from that lane. Yeah, that all felt a bit too
Quick,
too
yeah.
tight and too quick for what was going on.
Yeah. The only thing is, my concern is the road was a 30, but you're absolutely right. It
True,
doesn't
but with
matter.
the number of parked cars, is it you really going to drive at that speed? Like even here, look, this is 30.
Yeah, this isn't a 30. This has to be very careful. Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, turn right.
Following this guy.
And behind, oh, what's the
Be a bit careful, it's a hazard ahead. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Check behind us.
Okay, now turn right.
Right, we can go. It's also coming off this person. We can take it. Indicating it. Let's get your head then.
Pull in and park up on the left, please. Thank you, that's great there. So what we're going to do now, we're going to use the car in front to do the parallel park exercise.
Mm-hmm.
So alongside the vehicle in the road, then reverse back and finish within 2 car spaces.
Okay, and for
Don't
the-
worry about the drives on this one, but don't touch the pavement obviously.
Got it.
So try not to go up on the drive either.
Got it. Okay, we're looking this side. Blind spot, center. Oh, good, let's go. So now, straighten up. Now we've slid a little bit more. Now we've straightened up. Can I do reversing the indicator? Take it now. Let's go back. Too much, okay.
Okay, relax. Neutral.
Neutral.
Handbrake. Switch off the engine. That was good. A few points. Firstly, when we went into the road next to the car, you were miles off.
Yeah, I
You need to
did
be
that.
centre or even closer to the car. Remember, we want to normally start a bit closer. And don't let the front go out that far. I know I said 45, but I feel like we're going for a sharp 45. Do it slightly earlier.
Got it.
There's no harm in that, is there?
No.
Should we give it another go?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there we are. Now we are. There we are. Left.
That's fine. Thank you. Drive off when you're ready.
They're just gone a bit more ahead. Okay, left, right, left, blind spot, and then we're going to move.
So on a busier road, I would suggest that you check that blind spot as you're moving away as well.
As I'm moving away.
Yeah, so like even if you checked and then you did something, or you're looking ahead, or you're looking in the mirrors, just before moving, just check that corner again and then go.
Got it.
Because remember, it's the area not in the mirror, so that's why it's so important. Okay. But the parking even the first time was nice. You did correct it, which is great. Go right then left. Good. But look a little bit earlier. It is a dead end, you can see it.
This person and that person, I'm good to go.
Okay, very nice turn, thank you. Yeah, with the parallel park there, I just wanted you to do it again, just purely because I feel like if you do it perfectly in one go, it'll be easier for you and you won't get nervous over it.
Yeah, yeah.
Because if you have to correct it, you did correct it really nicely, but it's just more to do, isn't it?
Yeah. She could jump in the left lane.
Really? At this time?
Oh yeah, no, as in, no, nowhere near the no, not that.
Okay, so if the bus lane runs through, it doesn't make sense to move there and then move back, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Third exit, got it. So is a turn right.
Brilliant. Okay, just on the entry bit, when you moved from that traffic light, as you've entered the roundabout, we sort of move in and go across, don't we? So it's always advisory to check that mirror there. Yeah?
I should remember.
Why do we want to check that mirror there?
In case someone's going, whew.
Yeah, in case someone is doing the wrong thing, straight lining, thinking it's their lane.
Now to check to the left as well.
Yeah, because we're merging, yeah. So they would have priority on the merge if anyone's on the left. There you go. So if you're coming up level with someone at that point, because they're on the left, you'd give them priority, so just going behind them. We're going to turn right just into Lidl car park, okay? Can we turn? Yeah. We're not going to slow him down by just cutting across his path there, we're just turning. Okay, now with the parking spaces on your right, if you can position yourself all the way left for me, we're going to forward into one of them, yeah?
Oh, okay.
So just stop anywhere, select the space you want to park in and just drive forward into it.
I'm going to go to the middle. There we are. tight. I think I went in a bit too early.
Yeah, just turn the wheel back, it doesn't matter. We are in the space though. So your side, you can have a look if you want to. Can you see the light?
Yeah.
It is in the space.
Yours is a bit comfortable. Yeah,
So,
I went in a tad bit early. No, actually I didn't. I just didn't go quick enough, did I? As in terms of the...
No, if you had gone any quicker, you would have been over that line.
As in terms of the spinning?
Yeah.
Really?
So you needed to turn later.
Okay, just later. Got it.
Okay.
Yep.
Secure the car, switch off the engine. Okay. Are you happy with what we've done so far? Any concerns?
No, not specifically.
So some of the advisory points I just want to go over. When we're moving off at roundabouts, even if it's your lane,
Check
following the lane, checking that mirror.
Check the mirror.
Okay. The slip road, making sure that we're not suddenly moving in, just gradual steering, because you could come in, it was nice and clear. But you did really well with the speed on that one, so it was nice. The approach to that roundabout without the traffic lights, that was really nice. But initially when we went round, do you understand why you don't want to be on the right leaving?
Yeah, absolutely. Someone's always, you know, they may be on the left lane and like, no, I don't want to go left, I'm going to go around.
Yeah.
Me going in from the round would be like, duh.
Yeah, it's that collision point between you guys, so just be really, really safe about it. Don't try and move out at that point. I'd rather, honestly, that you just went back round from that point.
Yeah.
But obviously, if you know that, okay, well, that's 2, and I'm leaving at 3, I should be moving left now. Not waiting for 2 to pass completely.
It's a silly question, but
Yeah.
in a test, would that be a fail?
What you did there on a test, no, that wouldn't be a fault or a serious a fail even. But you are putting yourself in a bit of a dangerous position. You did check, which is great, but you definitely get marked down that you did that.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so that's the end of our video today, and he's got his test in what, 20 minutes time? Yeah. Yes. Feeling good.
Hopefully.
You know you've been feeling confident, you can own it, come on. You know you've done well, you've worked hard, okay? So we got this. All right, we'll see you on the other side. Hi guys, so Malek's just come back from his test and unfortunately he did not pass. Okay, so he's only made 1 serious fault there, but he did have 2 other minors that the examiner had sort of advised you on, so there's not a lot going on. But that serious fault, it was on a roundabout, unfortunately. He kind of switched over lanes when he didn't need to, and he didn't check his mirror. Had he checked his mirror, it would have been okay. But again, he didn't need to switch over, which you realise as soon as you've done it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As I was going in, instead of going into the right lane, I jumped from, I was positioned on the right, I jumped in towards the middle.
Yeah.
And I didn't check my mirror.
Yeah. But you realise as soon as you've done it,
As
right?
I was going in, I was like, oh god, I should have just stayed on the right.
That was it. So that's the only thing. But unfortunately, that would be a serious fault. But it's okay. Hopefully, we'll try and get the test in soon as we can, because you are more than ready to do this. Okay, because I think, I know you did fail previously, but that's more so because you didn't really know what you were doing completely at that time, because you hadn't really done any lessons. But that was a very long time ago, so don't let this discourage you, obviously. Okay, so we'll get this soon.